The brightest guide. The Great Migration was the heartbeat of the sunstone savanna. Every year the animals followed ostrich Django, the swiftest guide towards the hidden water. The air thrummed with a nervous excitement. But this year the path was choked with an unexpected silence. The riverbed was dust. "We must hurry, Django," whispered Zola, her stripes shimmering with worry. "The dry heat grows stronger." Django knew the old maps in his memory. "The Sunstone Passage is too long now," he announced. "We must risk the Whispering Canyon. It is shorter, but the way is hidden." Deep in Django's shadow lived Chroma, a tiny chameleon whose colors changed with every shift of the wind. She was nervous about the canyon, but she noticed something the others missed. As the herd began their slow, careful descent into the canyon, the air grew thick with powdered red earth. A sudden, swirling dust devil blocked the narrow path ahead. Panic fluttered through the thirsty group. "We are trapped!" cried Zola. Django tried to push through the whirlwind, but the wind was too fierce. The dust blinded his powerful eyes. Suddenly, a tiny bright splash of color appeared right in the middle of the dust cloud. It was Chroma, no longer dull, but shimmering in vibrant blue and green. "The canyon floor is not solid," she squeaked, her voice barely a whisper against the wind. "Look where my colors stick. The dust settles only on the deepest tracks." Django understood. The dust hid the path, but Chroma's moisture-sensitive skin, flashing brilliant colors only where the dust wasn't, had uncovered the ancient, safe trail. He quickly followed her tiny, colorful guide. Soon, the dust storm was behind them, and the sweet smell of the hidden water filled the canyon air. Django bowed his great head to Chroma. The bravest guides, he learned, are not always the biggest, but those who see the world in a different light.